Hi there, welcome to Turner Time Management. This tutorial is on how to change the picture of a specific team in Microsoft Teams. Only team owners have the permission to change the team picture. If you're not an owner, you'll need to ask one of the owners to make the change for you. I am using dark theme, therefore my Teams app might look different than yours. Let's get started. Left-click the three dots to the right of the team for more options. Left-click Manage Team. Go to the Settings tab. Left-click Change Picture. Left-click Upload. Double left-click the picture or logo. And then left-click Save. The team picture has been changed. If you like this tutorial, hit like, give us your comments, and share this video. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Our upskilling program covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity. After getting the training, you will be saving 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation from the homepage of our website, and we look forward to being of service.